Are you really a world changer? Are you an eagle flying high with your wings straight up without cowering? Any obstruction and distraction is considered a stepping stone to the next level. Do you believe that? Have you said that to yourself long enough that you believe it? Your neighbors know it and everybody around you. You know, that for the subconscious mind to be changed, it will take repetition. I remember a long time ago, I used to record myself and actually play my recording to myself to remind myself who I am in Christ. I am a world changer. I am a history maker. I am a pace-setter. This is going to be done. You know, so it's like encouraging yourself into being what you're supposed to be. Even though your programming may have been wrong, you can reprogram it. But as we said, we start from awareness.